Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another CVS video. So these are for the deals starting March 15th to March 21st. So I'm going to show you guys only one deal today, and that's going to be the cash card deal, because a lot of you guys are not clear as to how that works. So I'm going to go step by step showing you guys how that actually works, and it's the deal in front of the ad. So we are going to grab a couple of items for this to bring our purchase to $30 before coupons, and you get a $10 cash card. So I'm going to show you guys in store how does that work, and tomorrow I'll bring you guys a couple of other deals. Now with everything going on, I'm hoping that there are some things on the shelves for this, because I do have kind of like a plan for this deal, but they are limited on a lot of things, like for instance the Dawn dish soap. As you guys saw in last week's video, there was no Dawn dish soap, and sorry for the rain, but it's raining in my area. So let's see what happens with this deal. I do have a couple of coupons that I sent to my card. Also, hopefully you guys checked out my community tab, because we did get that epic beauty buck. So make sure you check your app. You can print it out from cvs.com, or you can print it out from the Redbox coupon center. So I received $14. So if you guys received a high value for that, and I was stressing the beauty deals for the past couple of weeks, so hopefully you guys take advantage of that and got a high beauty buck for that epic beauty event. So with that money, I'm probably going to use it on vitamins, because we do have to stock up more on vitamins. I've been ghost for 3 days because I've just been preparing my family for the unknown, because honestly I'm kind of nervous about what's going on. My husband is a little nervous as well, but the main thing is to stock up because we do have kids. It's different. I feel like it's a different story when it's just like if it was just me and my husband, but the fact that we do have children, that's when it makes us kind of nervous, when you don't know the unknown or you don't know the aftermath of things. Now my husband does own his own business. He works in refrigeration, and we honestly don't know what's gonna go on because hotels are closing, a lot of restaurants are closing as well. So if there's no work, there's no money. So lucky we did save, but how long could this last? That's just my whole thing. And I want to say shout out to all the employees in every single store, especially Publix. They've been super nice. Walmart, they've been working their hardest to stock up the shelves, but shelves are clear in my area. Like when I go to the supermarket, the meat section is cleared. We are pretty stocked up on meat. I did get some essentials the other day, but the kids are off of school. We're going to have the kids at home for 2 weeks. One of the weeks we already have for vacation, for spring break. But yeah, I'm honestly, and I keep it 100 with you guys, I honestly am a little nervous as to what's to come. Nervousness again is from the unknown and the aftermath of what to expect, because the economy is down right now. So lucky, it is a blessing that we do know how to coupon. I am pretty stocked up that I could help neighbors out, I could help family members out. So I'm pretty blessed on that end. But as far as food, if there's no food on the shelves, that's what worries me there. So let's go into CVS. I don't want to put you guys in a panic, but I'm personally saying how I feel. And let's check out the deal for the cash card deal. Okay guys, so my Redbox is running. So the first thing you want to do is grab an ad and scan your card at the Redbox coupon center. So I'm going to scan my card, because we are supposed to be receiving a $3 for Maybelline instant coupon. So let's see what happens. Hopefully the machine is working. But yeah, there we go. Okay. And I have another $3 beauty buck here. So super excited about that. So I'm just going to scan once, and then before I leave the store, I'll scan again. It looks like their machine is slowly running out of paper because it's all curled up. So let's check out this spend 30, get $10 in cash card. I'm going to walk through it step by step. Okay guys, so as you see here, there's no Dawn dish soap. They just have the big ones on the top. So I'm going to have to come up with a plan. So the first item I'm going to grab for this is actually going to be the Tide Pods, and they're very limited in my store. So there's actually like one right here, and then there's some right here. There's like 3 packs here. So I'm going to grab 2 packs of these. These are $4.94. I do have a digital coupon for $2 for Tide, as well as a $1 app only coupon. So make sure you send that to your account before you go shopping. And then I also have a $2 paper coupon from our March P&G. So I'm going to use this one right here. So I'm going to grab 2 of these. I'm going to write down the amount in my notebook and then show you guys the math as well. So 2 of these. Okay guys, so the next item I'm going to grab is going to be this Downy Wrinkle Guard Fabric Conditioner. So these are priced at $5.94. And as you see here, they are part of the cash card deal. Now I did receive a $2 CRT for this specific one. And I had to send it to my card because I scanned my card at the Redbox. And to my surprise, nothing printed out because they need to change the paper. So I'm not going to wait for that. I just went on my app and sent it to my card. So I'm going to show you on the screen really quickly what that coupon looks like. And then I also have a 150 from our March P&G. And as you guys see here, it says includes Downy Odor Protection 32 ounce or larger, or Downy Wrinkle Guard 25 ounce or larger. So there you go. This one is 25 ounces. So I'll get $2 off of this as well as $1.50. Now I did send $1 for Downy in my app for the app only coupons. Let's see if it does attach to this. So we'll have to see at the end with my receipt if it actually attached to this item. So I'm going to grab one of these. Okay guys, so far we have two Tide Pods at $4.94. So we're going to write that down. $4.94. And this is going to be the Tide Pods. Okay, and then we have that fabric wrinkle releaser. That's $5.94. So let's put that. Downy Wrinkle. Okay, so now let's grab the next items that I'm going to add to this, and then I have to come up with something for the replacement of those two Dawn dish soaps. So let's see what I'm going to grab. Okay guys, so the next item I'm going to grab that's part of this cash card deal is going to be the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. Now there's two different kinds. There's one for $3 for $15. Now we have a 3 off of 15 shampoo CRT. You definitely could grab the bigger bottles, and the 5 off of 3 will attach the digital coupon, but I only have a 3 off of 12. So I'm going to concentrate on this right here. I'm going to grab 3 of these. I have that 5 off of 3 in my app, and I also have a 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT. So I'm definitely going to grab 3 of these here and add it to the deals. Okay, so the item we're going to add here is going to be the Pantene. These are 3 for $12, and I'm going to write Pantene on the side of it. So I'm going to add all this up, see where we're at to reach the $30, and then let's look in the ad to see what else I can grab. Okay guys, so I have two different kind of scenarios here. So I'm at $27.82 with the 2 Tide Pods, the Downy Wrinkle Fabric Enhancer for $5.94, and then with the Pantene is 3 for $12. So I'm at $27.82, right? So if your store does not have the 98% rule, and I'm going to get into that in a little while, you have to spend another $2.18. Now, my store does participate in the 98% rule, and this is something you don't go up to a cashier or manager, hey, do you guys have the 98% rule? Because they won't tell you anything. So basically, to figure out if your store has the 98% rule, you just have to try it out. So my store does participate in the 98% rule, right? So what you're going to do is the $30 we have to spend before coupons, you're going to minus that by 98%. So with $29.40, I should receive that $10 in cash card because, again, my store participates in the 98% rule. So I'm at $27.82, right? I need to spend $29.40. So $29.40 minus $27.82 is $1.58. So let's look at the ad. Again, they do not have the Dawn dish soap at my store. So it says here, check on page 2 and page 7 for more deals. So I'm going to check on page 2 because everything here is pretty pricey and they do not have any Lysol at my store. So if I go on this page, you have to look for the items that are part of the cash card deal. So whatever has this symbol right here is part of the cash card deal. So this is included in the deal as well. And then on page 7. So let's look on page 7 to see what else is included in this cash card deal. So we're on page 7. So the 3 for 15. So I did show you that in the aisle, and the 5 off of 3 is coming off with the digital coupon. So that's included, and I think that's about it. So what I'm going to concentrate is on the puff tissues. So my store is not tagged right now, but I'm going to read what's included in it. So The puff tissues, 48 count is for $5, and we have a $1 off coupon in our app. So I don't need 4 of them for $5. I need to spend another $1.58. So when you buy one of them, it becomes $1.59. So this is it right here, right? And it says 48. So there you go. There's the 48, and these are priced at $1.99. But since they're part of a promotion this week, it's gonna be $1.58. So I'm gonna grab one of these, right? And I go check my math again. With this, I needed to spend $1.58, so that's $1.59. So I definitely met the threshold of the $30 before coupons. Okay, guys, so adding the puff tissues, I'm at $29.41, right? And for the 98% rule, I only needed $29.40. Now I'm going to deduct all the manufacturer coupons, the app-only coupons, and any CRTs that I have to this. So for the Tide Pods, we know that we have a $2 in our app. So let's minus this by $2, right? And then we know that we have a $1 off app only. So let's deduct that $1 off right there, right? And then I have a $2 manufacturer from our March P&G. So I'm going to deduct that as well. So that's another $2 there, right? And then for this Downy Wrinkle Fabric Enhancer, I have a $2 off CRT, right? There's a $1 app only for Downy. Hopefully it does attach to this. If not, I'll show you guys in my receipt. And then from the March P&G, I have a $1.50 off. Now, in the ad, it stated that we were supposed to receive this in our app, and I didn't receive it in mine, but we do have it in our March P&G, and that is included in this coupon. So we're going to deduct that by $1.50. Right, so there goes that. And then for Pantene, we have a 5 off of 3. And then we also have a 3 off of 12 CRT for shampoo. So there goes that right there. And then for the puffs tissues, we don't have anything. So let's subtract all of this and let's see where we're at. And I'm going to show you guys the extra bucks I'm going to use for it as well. Okay, guys, so let's recap everything. I have 2 packs of Tide Pods right there. They're on sale for $4.94. I have this Downy Wrinkle Guard. This is priced on sale for $5.94. I have the Pantene 3 for $12. And then I have the Puff Tissues at $1.59. So I'm going to use the $2 digital for the Tide Pods. I have a $2 manufacturer coupon for the Tide Pods from our March P&G. I have a $1.50 off the Downy Wrinkle Guard from our March P&G. There's supposed to be an app for that, an app coupon, so check your apps, but I did not receive it. I have a 5 off of 3 for Pantene, as well as a 3 off of 12 shampoo CRT. I also have a $1 off app only for the Tide Pods, a $1 off app only for the Downy. Hopefully it does attach to this one because it says for Downy Fabric Enhancer. So let's see what happens there. And I think that's about it in coupons. And I have, yep, and a $1.50 manufacturer coupon for that. I did discuss that right there. Okay. So when all is said and done, my total is going to be $11.91, right? So it's $1.91 for all of them after I receive that $10 in cash card, or 27 cents each. Now I'm going to go to the register with $13 in extra bucks just in case the $1 off app only for the Downy does not come off. If not, I'll give them $12 in extra bucks and I'll get back that $10 in cash card. So let's go check out and see what happens. Okay, guys, so I just passed by the Redbox coupon center, and lucky I looked at the Redbox because I did scan my card and some of my CRTs didn't come out because the machine needed paper. So there goes this $2 CRT that I have for the Downy Wrinkle Guard Liquid Fabric Enhancer, and I also send it to my card just in case. So now I have the paper form of it so you guys can see the coupon. And lucky I checked because I had a whole bunch of CRTs just laying there on the floor. So I'm super glad that I checked. So if your store runs out of paper at the Redbox and you do scan your card, when they reload that paper, your stuff should come out. So always double check for that. So now I'm going to check out. Okay, guys, so everything worked out super well, and my app-only coupons came out with no issues. So let's recap everything. There goes the Puffs tissues. They were on sale for $1.59. Pantene is 3 for $12. There goes the Tide Liquid on sale for $4.94. And there goes that Downy Wrinkle Fabric Enhancer for $5.94. Okay, so I had the $2 off for the Tide Pods, the $1.50 off for the Downy, the Pantene 5 off of 3 came off from the digital coupons. The $2 off Tide came off with no issues from the digital coupons. I had a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, a $2 off of that Downy wrinkle fabric enhancer. I had the $1 off Downy right there, so that's the app only, and the $1 off Tide app only as well. I rolled $12 in extra bucks. I knew I was going to lose a couple of cents from the second extra buck, the $2, but that is fine. So subtotal was 0. I had a tax of $1.71. And here goes the $10 in cash card. So redeem only for $10 CVS cash card. So you have to hand this to the cashier, and she has to actually give you a physical card. So I'm going to give this to my cashier, let her give me the cash card, and then I'm going to show you guys what the cash card looks like. Okay, guys, so this is the $10 cash card that they handed me. These are all that they had. So these are the ones from Christmas, but this doesn't mean that it is expired. So basically my $10 is on here. I could show you the receipt. Okay, I don't have the receipt on handy, but I do have $10 on here. So hopefully this was helpful, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.